beautiful people out there, it's me again. So in today's video we're going to be talking about some breastfeeding and nursing must-haves, some necessities that you will need if you plan on or if you are breastfeeding and nursing. So I did a video a couple of weeks ago talking about my breastfeeding journey and how it's been going and all that good stuff. So I just wanted to like piggyback on that and just talking about some of the things that I love and have that help to make the breastfeeding process so much better and so much, I won't say easier because it's not easy, but just some things that I have and I love that make the process go a little bit smoother. And also, if you are wondering what products you should have, or some necessities that you should have along this journey, then I just want to share a few that have been very helpful and beneficial for me as well. So without any further ado, let's get it. Girl, if you ain't subscribed to this channel, what's going on? Go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell twice so you're notified every time I post a video. So my baby boy is almost a year and I am still breastfeeding him. Woo! So excited, so excited. So I just want to share a few things that I have and use that are very beneficial, especially when I'm breastfeeding while traveling. So I recently just traveled home and went to New York City, and while I was in New York City I was kind of like talking on Instagram stories about what I do while I'm pumping and traveling. So I'll have a full-on blog post elaborating on breastfeeding while traveling, so that should be up tomorrow, Lord's willing, but it should be up on my blog tomorrow. And make sure you're subscribed to my blog as well. And when I travel, I have to take an extra suitcase. I call this the breastfeeding bag because it has everything that I need to make sure that I have the necessities that I need while I'm traveling. So a few things that I have and I love and I use are, I have a automatic pump. So I have an automatic pump. So this is the Medela Pump Style Advanced, and I got this through my insurance company. So I know when you go into the stores, you'll see pumps there for like $300, $400, and they are good. They are good. But if you didn't know, you can apply for a pump through your insurance company, or a lot of hospitals will allow you to rent them or have them, or like I was a part of a program that you can use your points towards buying a pump. Now it wasn't a Medela, I think it was either Even Flow. It was like, it started with an A. I can't remember the brand, but it started with an A, and then it had oh my gosh, so many brands. I got this from my insurance company and I didn't have to pay anything, so it's a very blessing. So if you are looking for a pump, definitely contact your insurance company to see if they offer free pumps or a discounted price through your insurance. So yeah, this is my baby. I love her. So pretty much it is, because the one I have with Maddie, it came with a bag, so it was this part inside of a bag, but with this one it just came as a square, and it's really convenient, very small. So what you do is you connect your tubes. So you connect these to the pumps here, then you connect these to the top part, and then you hook them on here, and then you're good to go. So they do have bras that you can connect them to have hands-free pumping. They also have a hands-free pump that you can have with these as well, but for me, I just cut holes in my bra and just stick them in there and call it a day. So it's really simple, it's easy. They do have a few settings on here. You can go full force, you can go less force, whatever floats your boat. They have different options on here, and then it'll make choo 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 choo. So it just goes with the flow of how a baby nurses and all that. So I really love this, and so I will link it down below if you guys are interested in it. So another thing that I love and have to have with this breastfeeding journey is a manual pump. So I know you're probably like, girl, why do you have two pumps? Because, and everybody's different. Everybody is different. However, personally, I find that the manual pump pumps a lot better than the automatic one. Now granted, it's less time used on the automatic one because they're going at the same time and you don't have to use your arms or anything, but I feel like the suction is so much better on the manual pump. I'm able to pump out milk so much quicker on my manual pump than that because it's just going at its own pace, because you change the settings and all that. But here you can push for like a little bit of milk. I think that's what that's for. But for me, I just push down and then I can hold it down and it like sucks the milk out. That, I don't know, I'm able to get more milk out of this. I don't know if it's just the suction stronger or what, but the manual pump is my life, okay? Now it does take longer, but you get the muscles up for one, but also if you want more milk, then this is definitely thebomb.com. So I would definitely link this down below if you are interested. Some other things that I must have while breastfeeding and nursing are storage bags. Especially while I'm traveling, I have to have my storage bags because I have to store the milk somehow, some way, and these are lifesavers, especially when I was storing milk, trying to get my supply up and storing it for his sake or whatnot. I had to have these to put in the fridge and the freezer and all that. So I love the Medela kind. I mean, I had the lanolin kind. I had the, I think it's Avenflow. It starts with an A. It's a brand that starts with an A. I can't remember. But I had those bags. But I just love the Medela bags. And as you see, all this stuff is Medela because I've just been a lover of Medela for years now. When I had Maddie, that's all we used. And even with Tristan now, that's all I've been using as well. So these are the older storage bags here. I had this when I was nursing Maddie and it still came in handy. So with this one, all you do is take the tape and you put it around the pump right here. Can you see? Put it around the pump and then you stick it on there and then you just let the milk, well of course you have to, let me take the bottle off first, but pretty much you put the piece in here and then you put it around and then that's pretty much it, and then the milk will go inside of the bag. With the pump, it comes with a clear piece that you connect here, and then same thing, you just put the pump in and then you connect the white piece and then you can sit it and go about your merry way. I definitely have to have storage bags because like I said, especially when I travel, I have to have somewhere to put the milk at, and they are strong, they last long, and they are good to go. So of course, while on your breastfeeding journey, you have to have bottles, you have to have a bottle cleaner, you have to have, what else? You have to drink water. I said in the previous breastfeeding video about my journey, what's been helping me to keep my supply up. Everything that I mentioned in there is, I'm still doing it, I'm still using it, and it's still working to this day. So hopefully those tips were helpful. If you would like more tips or more things that could work for you or that could help you on your journey, definitely let me know and I could do a part 3 on this journey. I did say I was going to do the lactation bar video for you guys, and that is coming. So that video is coming. I will try to post it up. I'll do like a bonus video on Friday. I can try to get that done for you guys this Friday for y'all, so I will definitely do that. But that's pretty much it, you guys. Me for it to be like, oh yeah, all this stuff, because really you don't need a lot, but you just need what works for you, and these items work for me, and this has been helping along my breastfeeding journey. I hope this video was helpful. Let me know down below any of your suggestions, comments, and concerns, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.